of quick minutes because every second counts when you get this close to the launch of the Space Shuttle Endeavour at the Kennedy Space Center. Allard Butel is with us right now. He is the News Chief in Media Services for External Relations at NASA's Kennedy Space Center there just a little bit south of Daytona Beach. Good morning to you.
Morning. Thanks for having me on.
Did you get a look at the moon this morning as you were? I could imagine being there at the media center and seeing the space shuttle craft all lit up with the white lights, and then the moon in the western sky was as big as I've ever seen it. Must have been a heck of a celestial show for everybody there.
Yeah, it was pretty. I was driving in last night, getting ready for the fueling operation before I went on NASA television and did commentary. Unfortunately, it was, like you said, juxtaposed. It was in the western sky, and our launch pad is along the shore on the east coast, so it unfortunately, it wasn't a good photo opportunity, but it was still a good view coming in.
Yeah, I remember I was at the launch just after Easter last year when we actually saw the International Space Station go right across the launch pad early in the morning there. And you know, I feel sorry for someone who has never seen a launch because these are spectacular. The weather looks good this morning.
Yeah, we're looking in decent shape. We're still at 70% chance of good weather. Just the possibility, maybe some clouds and maybe a little bit of crosswind at our landing site here at Kennedy, but no, it's we'd like to say trending in the right direction.
Okay, terrific. This is the last ever launch of Endeavour. It will go to a museum then. Obviously, the story Mark Kelly will command the 6-member crew, and his wife, Arizona Congresswoman Gabrielle Giffords, is on site.
That's correct. Yes, she is.
Terrific. And what will the words be as the shuttlecraft clears the launch pad today? There's always a special little slogan that goes with it, or is that a secret till launch time?
That's one of those little public affairs secrets that the commentator, in this case George Giller, will say. And you know what? I should know this since he's on my team, and I'm kind of his boss, and I probably should know what it is, and I don't. So it'll be a surprise to me.
Do you have your launch tie on? Your lucky launch tie?
I wear my NASA blue. That's what I like. That's my shirt. It looks good on TV, and it shows the right colors.
Okay, true blue. Thank you very much. Godspeed, and thank you for the time this morning. We sure appreciate it.
You're welcome.
All the best to Allard Butel, who is there at the Kennedy Space Center, and only 2 launches left, the one this morning and one more after that. Oh, I'm always supposed to pick up my little space shuttle model on television when we talk about the space shuttle, because I love this thing and I'm going to miss it, and I've been lucky to see a whole bunch of launches there in Florida, night and day. Michael Patrick Shields, Pure Michigan Monday from the American Metal Roof Studio.